Hello, my name is Merel and welcome to the photography workshop. Here you can go with any questions according to photography for shooting, scanning, printing. In the school we have 2 photo studios and this is the big photo studio. We also have a small photo studio. And in the workshop we have Yuka to help you. Hey. And we also have Jeroen, who is always here to answer your questions.
How are you doing?
And right now there's a photo shoot going. Fleur, what are you doing right now?
I'm gonna photograph my books from my portfolio.
That's really nice. I see a nice setup right here. You can of course always use these lights, these background drops, the camera from the studio, filters. We have lens filters and anything to experiment with in very high quality pictures. And then over here we have the scanners. You can scan analog film in here or other photographs and do experiments. Also here you can do more experiments with smaller objects like a small studio. And then over here we have a lot of printers where you can print your photographs if you want to on bigger scale, like for example here. And yeah, that is a lot of opportunities that you can have in the photo studio. We really hope to see you next year to do a lot of experiments and have fun.